Did you know that every time you share a file via Teams chat, you're actually duplicating it? Well, you are. That file sits somewhere on your computer and you drag and drop it into the Teams chat and it uploads it to OneDrive. And you probably don't even know where on your OneDrive that file is sitting. It's sitting in maybe another OneDrive folder where you started, but now it's also sitting shared between you and whoever you're having the chat with. This is a minefield of duplicate files. Let's get rid of them. If we go to our online OneDrive space, we can scroll down to a folder that you'll find called Microsoft Teams Chat Files. If you click inside that folder, it brings up all the files you've shared over the years with somebody just inside the Teams chat. The first thing we're going to do is, instead of sorting it by name, I'm going to sort it by oldest to newest. The reason is that the older files are more likely the ones that I'm not going to need again, if they happen to not be a duplicate, but I'm pretty sure they are. So I'm going to click on older, and you can see it brings up the older files. And I can already see I've got 3 files here that look pretty much the same. And as I go across, I can see exactly who I shared them with. So just by hovering over the file, it brings up the hyperlink that shows me there are 2 viewers, and this is who it's shared with, and it was shared on the 18th of June 2020. If you don't believe me that this was a Teams chat exchange, I'm going to quickly open my Teams. I've already searched to that person and I've opened the chat between us. And here you can see 18th of June 2020, I shared these 3 examination files with her. So yes, they're Teams chat files and I really don't need them anymore. So I can select those, or you can select multiple files and hit that delete button. Don't forget to empty the recycle bin, otherwise it isn't going to make a difference to your online storage space. And I'll catch you in another heartbeat next week.